Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Donner DDP-90 digital piano, often paired with its matching bench. This setup is really being marketed as an ideal first digital piano, especially for those living in modern, perhaps smaller, spaces. Right away, you notice its contemporary and compact design. It's built to fit into apartments or homes where space might be a premium, making it a practical choice for many. Now, for the playing experience, the DDP-90 features 88 full-sized weighted keys. This is crucial for beginners. It has a hammer action mechanism and an ivory feel texture. The description highlights how this responsiveness is vital for inspiring beginners as they improve, helping them develop their touch and find their musical voice. It's designed to bring out every nuance of a developing player's technique. Moving on to the sound. The piano is equipped with quality sound samples taken from real acoustic grand pianos. Donner says they've repeatedly tested and adjusted the timbre details to make the sound expression more realistic and dynamic. This is intended to help players develop a keen ability to distinguish sounds. It boasts 128 notes of polyphony, which is plenty for playing fast passages and trills without notes cutting out. It also comes with a metal triple pedal system, which is essential for adding expression and personal emotion to playing. The jack for this pedal is conveniently located under the keyboard, using a 5-pin connection. And let's not forget the bench that often comes with it. It's described as different from traditional piano stools because it includes hidden storage space, like a bookcase, for sheet music or other items. The flip top is easy to open and has stable support. It's a practical addition to the setup. So, looking at the features, the weighted keys, realistic sound samples, good polyphony, triple pedal, and a space-saving design with a functional bench, it seems Donner has really aimed this package at the beginner player in a modern home setting. It provides the essential elements needed to start learning piano seriously, without taking up excessive space.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.